You think Claude Code is just an AI that writes code? Open the hood. What you'll find is a full agent harness, an orchestration engine that plans, delegates, verifies, and iterates. Most developers use maybe 10% of it. Here's the other 90. First, the planning engine. When you give Claude Code a complex task, it doesn't just start typing, it builds a plan. It breaks your request into phases, identifies dependencies, flags risks, and creates a step-by-step execution order. You can review the plan, modify it, or approve it before a single line of code gets written. This is why spec-driven development works so well with Claude Code. Second, delegation. Claude Code can spawn sub-agents. Each one runs in isolation with its own context window. Need a security review, a test suite, and documentation all at once? 3 agents running in parallel, each focused on their specific task. The main agent orchestrates everything and merges the results. It's like having a senior engineer who can clone themselves. Third, context management. This is the secret weapon. Claude Code reads your code base, understands your architecture, remembers your preferences across sessions, and adapts to your project's conventions. It knows your tech stack. It knows your naming patterns. It knows that you prefer functional components over class components. Every conversation makes it sharper. Fourth, full file system access. Claude Code doesn't just generate snippets. It reads files, writes files, creates directories, runs terminal commands, installs packages, executes tests. It operates like a developer sitting at your machine. And with Git work trees, it can work on experimental branches without touching your main code. Fifth, skills and hooks. You can teach Claude Code custom workflows. Want it to always run lining after every file edit? Add a hook. Want a one-command deployment pipeline? Create a skill. These are reusable, shareable, and they compound over time. Your Claude Code instance gets more powerful every week. This is why Claude Code isn't just another AI coding tool. It's an agent harness. And once you learn to use the full system, you don't go back. If this changed how you think about AI coding, subscribe. I break down one AI tool every week.